Inside massive tobacco warehouses, thousands of cured tobacco leaves arrive daily for industrial processing. Massive quantities of cured tobacco are transferred into industrial processing systems. The leaves are carefully distributed across conveyor systems for the next stage of processing. From conveyor systems, the tobacco moves deeper into the factory for conditioning and refinement.
Rotating drums evenly condition the tobacco before the next stage of processing.
Advanced scanning systems inspect the tobacco for consistency and quality control. Steam conditioning restores moisture and prepares the tobacco for precise cutting.
After conditioning, the tobacco is cooled before entering precision cutting machines.
The tobacco is shredded into fine strands for consistent cigarette production. Automated transport systems move the processed tobacco between different production stages. Modern tobacco factories rely on massive automated systems operating around the clock. The processed tobacco is carefully controlled for texture and moisture consistency. Precise flow control ensures uniform tobacco distribution throughout the production line. Enclosed transport systems maintain clean and controlled tobacco handling during processing. Controlled moisture levels help maintain the tobacco's texture during production. Infrared heating removes excess moisture while preserving the tobacco's consistency.
Once dried, the tobacco continues through the final preparation stages before cigarette production.
Technicians constantly monitor humidity, temperature, and flow rates to maintain product consistency.
This is where processed tobacco begins transforming into finished cigarettes at incredible industrial speed. The tobacco is evenly distributed before entering the cigarette forming process.
The paper wraps around the tobacco to form a continuous cigarette rod moving at extremely high speed.
The sealed paper locks the tobacco firmly inside each continuous cigarette rod.
The continuous rod is cut into individual cigarette lengths with millimeter precision.
Modern cigarette factories produce thousands of cigarettes every minute using fully synchronized automation systems.
Filter rods are cut with extreme precision before being attached to the cigarettes.
Tipping paper secures the filter firmly to each cigarette during the final assembly stage.
The completed cigarettes now move toward automated inspection and packaging systems.
Automated systems precisely organize the cigarettes before they enter the packaging stage.
Automated packaging machines prepare thousands of cigarette cartons every hour.
Each pack receives an exact group of cigarettes, measured and aligned automatically.
The finished packs now move toward large-scale carton packaging and shipping preparation. Individual packs are grouped into larger cartons for storage and distribution.
Automated packaging systems load each cigarette pack with perfect precision.
Protective cellophane wrapping seals each pack for retail distribution. The sealed packs move automatically toward final sorting and distribution packaging. Heat sealing locks the protective cellophane tightly around each cigarette pack. Robotic systems handle the packaged cartons with speed and precision before shipment. The display cartons are sealed automatically before bulk shipping preparation begins. Large shipping boxes are assembled automatically for final distribution. Every shipment is digitally tracked using automated barcode labeling systems. Automated palletizing systems prepare thousands of shipments for nationwide distribution. Industrial robots can lift and organize entire rows of shipping cartons within seconds. The finished shipments are securely wrapped and stabilized for transportation across the country.
After processing, packaging, and inspection, the finished products are shipped nationwide from massive distribution centers.